Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to create and manage Salesforce related lists so you can streamline your data management and easily access related records. First, log into your Salesforce organization. Click the gear icon at the top right corner and select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. Next, in the Quick Find box at the top left, type Object Manager and select it from the list. This is where you manage all your Salesforce objects like accounts, contacts, and more. Then choose the object you want to modify, for example, account. On the left panel, click Page Layouts and select the layout you want to customize, such as account layout. Now scroll to the Related Lists section. Here you can drag and drop related list items to your preferred positions, remove unnecessary lists, and customize list properties to fit your needs. Finally, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top of the page Layout Editor. This ensures all modifications are applied and visible when accessing the page layout. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.